Hello man. Every animation which you see just took me 10 minutes. Do you need it too? But the point I want to raise first and discuss how you can use it and for what. Let's start from its impact. Animation isn't fluff, it makes your interface feel smarter, more responsive, and guides users through actions without words. Visual appeal, business. Looks matter. More polished and delightful apps don't just feel better. Research shows they earn more too. Communication. You can talk to your users without saying a word. Show loading, status, success, failure. Animation makes feedback more visible. No one remembers a lifeless screen. But add motion, and suddenly your product doesn't just work, it performs. Lottie magic. Need it fast? Lottie is your go-to. Easy to export, lightweight, and it won't blow up your dev budget. Of course there are many tools, but today I want to focus on Lottie platform. Let's kick off with an onboarding animation. Tell your story without words. So let's start with an example like onboarding. And you have screen like use your card or smartphone to pay. Definitely we can put here POS terminal, which a user will understand pretty easy. Just reading, take a look at some graphics, and okay. But if I want to make users' life easier to understand this without text, and in this case we can use animation. For example, I found this illustration on FreePic. Let's take it, and this has too much details. Let's make it more minimalistic.
Did all of this, and it looks already much better. Let's delete this part, and this. And let's make it smoother. We don't need these edges. We'll need gradient. Put this here, put this one, 0. The same story with this. And I really like much more, but what if we have another branding color? Let's say something like purple.
So, and each frame which we will make is gonna be one action. For example, we want smartphone will go from down up, stop somewhere here, and go further. For this, we'll put it somewhere here, the same with card. And now we make another frame with another action. Go inside, go and put it somewhere here. The same with card. It's gonna be somewhere here. One more action. This is going upper. And this one go down. And now we can start making animation through prototype. So it's already get flow start, leave it on click, smart animate. So it saved all my last actions, but mostly you will have instant, you will put smart animate. Afterwards you will use any curve which you like, for example easy out. Here you will set your duration, which you need, which you like. And let's say we will have here 2000. The same story with this. Also let's use the same stuff. And let's take a look what we got. Go to Lottie Files plugin, just in Figma, and export to Lottie. And here you can see how it looks like. But let's say we don't need this fill. likely you also can go without this white stuff. Also can delete. So refresh. No, we will need this one. Let's leave white arms. Okay. Refresh. And if you show your prototype in Figma, you can just insert this GIF. If you show this somewhere in Protopy, and anywhere where it supports loaded JSON, you can export in this JSON and show exactly how it will look like. But in this case, let's just use GIF.
And insert this in our screen. And let's put it like it's gonna be somewhere like this. Oh, this is my old one. I will take it.
Go up. And now you can see what we get. We get nothing, yeah?
Wait. Ah, we didn't put it in frame. Go inside.
And now we can see how it look like. By the way, you see edges. Might be because of GIF. But let's add here stroke, because I think it will look better. You see, it's going somewhere. But if we will make something like this one, you see it? No, I do not. And make rounded edges. Look, and this already looks much better. Of course, you see this edge, but you can delete it in the GIF too if you want, or you can leave it. That's it. So, thank you. The next animation we're gonna make in another video. See you.